I just finished this sub-miniature, vintage, circa 1950s skeleton alarm clock. Really catches your eye. The lucite case doesn't have any crazing, and so you can see everything nice and crisp and clearly. Keeps excellent time. The alarm works as it should. It's really a beautiful little sub-miniature clock. I'm going to advance the time. Hear the alarm. A very long and loud alarm. So to set the time, you have this crown here pulled out, and then you rotate it counterclockwise. You push it in, and to wind the time movement, you rotate it clockwise. This crown here controls the alarm. I have it pulled out, and if you want the alarm to sound, you have to keep this crown pulled out. You set the alarm, rotating it counterclockwise. You push the crown in, you turn it clockwise, and that winds the mainspring for the alarm. So in summary, a vintage sub-miniature alarm clock, skeletonized. It's a very nice vintage piece. Take care.